quick reading for Aquarius, January the 7th to January the 8th. I'm about to say July. Ang bilis ko naman. Pero may kakaroon dito ng parang misunderstanding because I think that you and your person is not on the same page dahil yung isa parang mawawala o madidiskaril, no? Yung kanyang diskarte. Um, yung isa naman is nandito ko para i-guide ka, ayusin ka. Then yung isa naman is more of, sandali wag mo akong pakialaman, no? So I feel like someone is going to be unreasonable because we have the full card of Two of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Or probably matigas din ang ulo na alam ko naman yung gagawin, no? It could be your person na parang sinabi, alam ko naman yung gagawin, pero hindi ko pa parang alam niyo yung sa interview, kailan ka magbabago? Someday, pero hindi ngayon, baka bukas or sa isang araw. So parang ganun. Alam niyo yung step, pero kasi hindi pa, ayaw pa, no, ng kaunting, ayaw pa ng pagbabago. Pero alam niya na kailangan niya. So this is your quick reading, Aquarius, for January the 7th to January the 8th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.